Another quick video today on replacing dead bulbs in my Honda Pilot. I've got this part of the center console on the bench today. Just for reference, here's where it comes from. I happened to be looking in this area to steal some power for a different project when I noticed this set of connectors and wires. I've owned this car since it was new, but I didn't recall that there was a light down here, but sure enough, it had a bulb. I'm sure it's been dead for years. Just so you don't make the same mistake I did, this connector here rotates in the bulb housing and then easily slides out. I didn't realize that and broke part of the housing. Here I'm showing how the harness fits in and it just snaps into place. This harness with the connector and the bulb socket are just for this one little light that only illuminates the cubby under the console. I see this as a testimony to how well Honda thought out this car. So here's the dead bulb that I removed. I suspect you can get a replacement incandescent bulb from Honda, but I really wanted an LED bulb in there. So I just soldered one in, and unfortunately I don't have video of that. If someone's really interested in getting details on that, please put a message in the comments and I can provide more details on that.